Hey, it's Jake over at Heartland Marine. I'm going to do a walk around on this 2014 Chaparral 327. Really nice, clean boat. It's got a gin and AC, twin Volvo 380s, and it's got the joystick. So, you got your windlass here. Got a few little scrapes, nothing real major right there. They're not into the fiberglass, so I'm not going to touch them up, but little scuff mark here. That'll come off with some acetone. A few little scuffs there. I thought that might have been wax, but it looks like there are just a couple scuffs. I always like to point out every little thing I can. Excuse me. That way there's no surprises when somebody shows up. And I'm a little nitpicky, so you might see, you know, scratchier thing there, but that's just because I'm trying to point out everything. Little scuff on the rub rail, that should come out with some acetone too. Drives look good. Swim platform doesn't really have any damage anywhere that I'm seeing. Little scuff there, that might buff out. Maybe. Could be close. Couple of scuffs there. Overall for a 14, darn nice. It's not going to be perfect by any means, but it's not beat up really at all. I'm going to get this thing uncovered. It's got the bow and the cockpit cover. And then we'll go inside. Alright, let's go over all the vinyl and the stitching and everything inside here. I gave it the once over and there wasn't really anything that I saw that needed to be taken care of, but I'll go through it a little closer. If we find any rips or tears, we'll take care of them. This does have the cockpit fridge, double wide captain's chair, and co-captains. Each have the bolster. And earlier in the video, I think I misspoke. I think I said the Volvo 380s. It's actually the Merc 380 horse. There's your joystick. And we've got all the snap-in seagrass here in the cabin. They're not done detailing it yet, so we haven't put it all back together yet. But it does have the snap-in seagrass, and a lot of folks are even upgrading to the sea deck. Bow seats look nice. Spot for the windlass there on the controls, up and down. You do have a spotlight. Front radio control. And this one does have the hard top with the speakers built in. Just a beautiful boat overall. Again, this is Jake at Heartland Marine. If you have any questions on this or anything else, feel free to give me a call or shoot me a text. My number's in the description below. Thanks for watching.